To DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 3. It's in lovely condition, does not look or drive like the mileage or the age. Fantastic condition, as you see, finished in beautiful grey metallic, gloss black alloy wheels, really set it off. Privacy glass to the rear, got rear park distance control, really high spec inside as well. Boots in lovely condition, rear seats do pull down. As you can see, in lovely condition. You've got lovely carbon fibre finish here, electric windows, 4 of them, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. It's done 68,891 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, front satellite navigation, home page there, communication, so you've got Bluetooth connectivity, settings, entertainment system as well, all done with the iDrive 6-speed gearbox. Those heated seats really work, that's nice. Really is in lovely condition, and what great value for money, really. From Mazda, very reliable. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.